Guys, welcome back YouTube channel. Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video. Top stylish and trending landscaping ideas, pebble stones ideas, home decoration trends, garden decorations ideas. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. We will see new, attractive and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, home decoration trends. So do you have new ideas of unique and attractive and trending landscaping ideas? So take a screenshot and save your mobile. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this videos till the end. Today we'll see in this videos modern and stylish and creative pebble stones ideas, home decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. We will see in these videos attractive and trending home decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Or we will see new, already attractive and trending pebble stones ideas, home decoration designs. Landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. I'll try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end.